thanks for stopping by. My name is Sandy Sove, the Freelance Marketing Mama. I make videos about places where you can actually work from home that are legitimate and you can get started with right away. On this video, if you're looking for home-based data entry jobs, I have several for you that you can get started with starting today. Earn anywhere from $10 to $25 or more working from home as a basic data entry clerk. So let's get started taking a look at these companies and how you can get started making money from home right now. So there'll be three different companies that I'll be showing you where you can get actual data entry home-based jobs right now today that you can get you can get some work and start making some money from home. Before I do that, I just want to go through them. I just want to do a quick housekeeping note. All of the links to the job sites for data entry that I'm going to be showing you on this video can be found in the show notes, which is the description box below this video, and you just click through those links. Subscribe to the channel because I do have regular videos on a daily basis coming up in a variety of different ways to make money online, work from home, and side jobs, remote jobs, virtual jobs that you could be, might have a different type of interest in outside of data entry as well. But I do have frequent data entry because it is probably the most popular type job that people are requesting from me to research and resource and provide videos to show you how to find employment online. Check off the bell. You'll get notified when a new video becomes available. At the same time, smash that like up video button below my video if you like the content that I'm providing here. My goal is to become a helpful resource in helping you find a way to earn money from home based around a flexible schedule that you might have. Okay, so let's dive into the first company. It's UBA Tracers, and this is my #1 recommended place to work. I've been working here since 2017. The reason I recommend it highly is because it's very simple to get started with. It's very easy to do the tasks. They're flexible hours that you can work with, and basically it is the highest paying data entry job that I have ever found through all my research online, and it is very simple to get started with. So let's quickly walk through this because we got two other platforms to share after I cover this one. Basically, when you go over to ubatracers.com, you will create an account just by putting your name and your email address in, and you will land inside the processor's training hub that looks like this. There's 4 steps that you're going to actually participate in. The first step is to find the accounts to process, and I'll walk you through that quickly on this video. There is an orientation video once you create your free account at UBA Tracers that will walk you through it in more detail. But for this purpose of this video, making sure that I cover all 3 platforms today, I'm just going to do it briefly. You'll land in a page that looks like this in step 1, and you're looking for accounts that are over $250 in the government regulated data banks. Right now, you can do all as well, not only in the state data banks, but also in the Bank of Canada. And all you're doing is entering names to find people's unclaimed assets and unclaimed property. These are open source and regulated by the government, so you'll be landing on, like for instance, on the demo video on this page is the Texas data bank, which helps return over $3 billion in unclaimed property so far, and you'll be playing a part in helping them do that as well through this ubatracers.com company. And then once you find an account that's over $250, you get 10% data entry commission to be able to do that. So if just for the bare minimum on the account that you find for $250, you would get $25 to do that, which I'll show you the next steps that you'll do. Many times my average processing claim is around $800, so I get about $80 per hour that I'm doing this job. And again, that's up to you if you want to process accounts that are just the bare minimum at $250, or you want to go for the bigger ones. That's entirely up to you. I usually do 10 a day, and I just find the first 10 that are over $250 so that I can enjoy my money and the rest of my day. So once you've found an account, you'll need to claim that account, so make sure that you guaranteed to get paid for it. And basically, it's another basic type of data entry. There's a video tutorial that shows you how to complete the claim form, and that's on this page. So you're just putting in your own information. You're putting in you're answering a question if you plan to process this in the next 72 hours or not. And then you're just putting the claim number that you found in the first step here, because there are multiple different processors and possibly they could try to process the same account. So you're not going ahead and entering all the rest of the data. You're just entering the claim number at that time. Again, make sure, because I'm briefly going over this, that you watch the tutorial videos at ubatracers.com, okay? And then you would just submit the form and you would get an email reply back if the accounts are approved or not. Once they're approved, they are yours for 72 hours to database. And where that comes in place is in step number 3. As you can see here, again, there's a video that will walk you through it to be able to do that. But the form will look like this. And all you're doing at this point is now entering your name, your phone number, your email address. Now you're entering the full information that you've found in the government data banks into these sections. You can copy and paste or you can type them out. It's entirely up to you. You hit finish and that submits the form to the company, and you are guaranteed to get paid 10% of the minimum of a $250 account, depending on which size of accounts that you are actually going to be processing yourself. Like I said, my average is $800 accounts, so I'm going to get paid just to do what I just showed you here, $80 just for about 30 to 40 minutes, 45 minutes of work to complete the whole process. So it is very lucrative to be able to do. Like I said, this is my #1 recommended way to make money from home. I've been doing this since 2017. You can also check out the leaderboards. As you can see, there I am as a very high earner with this company, but there's many other processors earning significant amounts of money as well with the company. They have a good FAQs. If you ever run into problems, you can contact them with their contact information, and you can learn more about UBA Tracers at their website at ubatracers.com, or click in the link in the show notes below this video. Okay, so that's 1 out of 3 data entry jobs that I plan to show you here today on this video. The next company or platform that you should look for data entry jobs that you can get started with right away is Freelancer.com. And Freelancer.com is a freelancing type site where you're working as an independent contractor with Freelancer as a platform to find data entry jobs. Okay, so once you head over there by clicking the link in the description box below, you would just sign up. But as at the start on this video, what I want to do, you can see the sign up button here at the top when you get to their website. I'm going to browse jobs to show you how to search and find the data entry jobs. In their top job search, they have a really good source. I'm just going to punch in data entry because that is the topic of today's video. As you can see, Easy USA Data Entry Canada, they pay $820 for this data entry job. You can just click on them. As you can see, there's lots and lots of data entry jobs here, but you can click on them and apply for the jobs. So these aren't guaranteed to get. And you bid on the jobs. So the average bid right now is $820. If you click on one of these accounts, it will give you a basic outline of what they're looking for and the type of job that it's going to be based on you to apply and bid on this job. You're working as a freelancer, so they are temporary positions, but as you can see, there's lots and lots of different jobs, and you can set your own rate and bid on the job. This one, for instance, the average bid is $19 per hour. Some of them, the average bid for the completion of the data entry job is $151, and you can just go on and on and on. Freelancer has become a great place to find jobs that you can be bidding on the jobs. It doesn't guarantee that you get a job like you would at ubatracer.com, for instance, but some of the jobs that you can pick and choose from can be very flexible and very worth your while. As you can see, this one will pay around $20 to $33 per hour to do basic job entries. Okay, and so that is Freelancer.com, and you can find that link in the description box below. And once you get to that page, you would just go ahead and sign up at the top of the page, and then you can browse jobs, use the search bar if you're looking particularly for data entry jobs, and then you go ahead, look at the jobs that you want to apply for, that you have the skill set that they are looking for, and then you bid on the job. And if you win that job, you have a set amount of time that you can complete that job. Okay, so that's 2 out of 3 data entry jobs. Now, I thought I would throw in there a very, very easy but micro task data entry job. It's called ClickWorker, and again, that link is found in the description box in the show notes below. You can do web research, training data, and product data entry jobs. There are also texting jobs as well as survey jobs at ClickWorker. Now, these are micro jobs, so there are lots and lots of jobs available at ClickWorker, but they do pay smaller amounts for the jobs, so the jobs might only take you anywhere from 3 to 10 minutes to complete, and you would get paid anywhere from 20 cents to up to $2 or $3 per job. But they have dozens and dozens and dozens of new jobs entered every single day, so they can all add up. So if you spend maybe an hour or 2 hours a day, you should be able to make anywhere from $10 to $12, $13 per hour at ClickWorker as a basic data entry micro worker. So that concludes the 3 platforms today that I wanted to share with you. If you want to get started working alongside me at ubatracers.com and earn over $30 per hour, I strongly suggest you head over there with the link in the description box below. I'll be right along there working with you as well. And so if you ever need any help once you create an account, I will reach out to you as a supervisor now with the company as well. I thank you for watching today's video. Smash that thumbs up video. It encourages, or link or button below the video. It encourages me to make more videos to help you and find ways to work from home and, kind of sift your way through all the shuffle that's out there. I can provide you with really good examples of things that I've already done online, approved, and now want to share with you folks. Okay, and again, there's other videos popping up on the screen right now that offer other work from home jobs. You might be interested in them to check those out. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, check off the bell, so when I upload a new video, you will be updated with that video and it will come right to you on your device. Thanks again for watching. I'm Sandy Sauve, the Freelance Marketing Mama, and for those of you who are going to process along with me, I'll see you over there.